Well, the Jeep's back in the garage. I took it for a test spin, and it had no shift down. Drive took off fine. Went up in second, and went up in third. I give it a little gas, and it will not downshift at all. And to top that off, we have no park. We are in park right now, and there is no park. I put HP tuner into it. I checked the data. Everything looks good. I cleared the shit memory out of it. Took it for another ride, and guess what? Still no downshift, still no park. And I'll see if I get you guys up there in there. No, I'll have to go down there later. But anyway, the park lever is all the way back in park where it should be. When I was doing a little test on this over there, and the guy that owns this Jeep was here, I could not get to go in park. And I thought, well, maybe his electronic system, has to be on electronics have to be hooked up to go in park. I don't know much about these Jeeps. I don't care to. But, so the Jeep's in here. Let me pause this real quick. I'll run down below. All right, we're back down the pit now. And we are climbing up in here. John, can you give me a light? It don't matter which light. There's the park lever. And she is all the way back. I'm trying to find you guys a home here. That lever is all the way back, hitting this. So she should be in park, but she's not. And yep, this is the story, and I am not happy. Jasper, what the fuck are you guys doing to me? But yep.
Hello.
Just crazy. I don't know. But that's where we're at later, folks.